Okay, everybody, Canseco again. This time we got 2010 Topps Prime box break number 2. eBay item 310-302-857-881. 2010 Topps Prime break. Show you that the box is completely sealed here. You see the Topps logos. See the plastic, the cellophane moving on it. Got the serial number of the box ending in 575. Get this box open. I got this limited space here, so it's hard with these big tall boxes. But as you can see, it is sealed. Hopefully everybody will get some good stuff out of this. Here's the checklist. All the packs. 3, 5, 3, 5, 10 packs. Get them all out here. Box is empty. Get these arranged up here so we can all see them. Okay, let's get started. Good luck to everybody. I think I'll just go ahead and get them all out. Probably be a lot faster. Try to get this camera a little bit better on this. Should have found me a sharper knife, but it's a little too late now. There's 3 of them out. Four out. Great product, but I really don't like the packaging. It'll go fast once we get them all out. One more to get out here. Okay, got all of them open. Got the 10 packs out. Good luck, everybody. First pack. Brett Favre, D'Angelo Williams, Bradford, Thomas, and Spiller. Looks like a rookie of Ben Tate, number 21 of 699. Beanie Wells, Tom Brady. Next pack. Calvin Johnson. Glare's rough on these. Drew Brees. Looks like Gilliard, Williams, and Taylor Price. And autograph Ben Tate quad. Looks like a wristband jersey. Numbered 9 of 30. 9 of 30. Ben Tate. Ray Rice. Phillip Rivers. Frank Gore. Ryan Grant. Rookie card Ed Wang. 54/999. Golden Tate. Earl Thomas. Anthony McCoy. Let you guys read this name if I can get a good shot of it. Lighting here is not good on these glossy cards. And Freeney. Deshaun Jackson. Maurice Jones-Drew. There's a Sue rookie. Number 617 of 999. A quad with Braylon Edwards, LaDainian Tomlinson, Dyer, and Emmanuel Sanders. Michael Turner, numbered to 199. Jonathan Stewart. Gates, Austin, McKnight, and McCoy. Mike Williams, numbered 7 of 75, red rookie. Nice card. Steve Smith, Matthew Stafford. Devin Hester, Wes Welker. Quad with Clausen, McCoy, Tate, and Shipley. Looks like Derek Morgan, numbered to 699. Jeremy Maclin, Patrick Willis. Sean Green, Cedric Benson, Jordan Shipley, Dual jersey, McCluster and Aurelius Ben, numbered to 355. Can't pronounce his name. Raiders. Michael Turner. 3 packs left. Percy Harvin, Thomas Jones, C.J. Spiller, McKnight, Taylor Price, Ricky Williams, and a Ben Tate autograph for the Texans, numbered to 299, card 178, Ben Tate. Tony Romo, Marcus Colston. 2 packs left. Matt Forte, Santana Moss. Turn the hit over. McCluster, Aurelius Ben duel. We'll do the hit last. Pierre Garcon, Jared Allen, and it looks like Eric Berry jersey, 249 of 420. Last pack. Santonio Holmes, Mike Wallace, Jahavid Best rookie, numbered to 999. Sam Bradford, Dwayne Bowe, numbered to 199. Looks like a gold. And Troy Polamalu. Look at the hits one more time. The Eric Berry, numbered to 420. The Ben Tate auto, number 178 out of 299. McCluster, Aurelius Ben. Of course, it'll go to the Chiefs. Player on the left. So it'll go to the owner of the Chiefs. That's numbered to 355. And the Ben Tate wristband jersey auto, number 9 of 30. See, I still got the platinum break coming up here in a few minutes. Also going to be posting several more breaks in the next couple days. Hope you guys keep an eye on my auctions. Again, that's Canseco on eBay. Just keep a good eye out, and I appreciate you all. Thank you.